Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Nebo Unboxed. I'm Zach, and today I'm unboxing Nebo's Inspector RC. It's a rechargeable LED flashlight that uses Flex-Power, meaning it can be powered by the included rechargeable battery, or you can use two regular alkaline AAA batteries. You'll find all the instructions printed on the gift box, but let's go ahead and get it out of the box to take a look. The first thing you'll notice when removing the Inspector RC from the box is its sleek, anodized, aircraft-grade aluminum body. In addition to having a good look, it's also a practical way to protect the light. The Inspector RC is impact-resistant up to 1 meter and has an IP67 dust-resistant and waterproof rating. The light also has a strong steel clip at the back here, and at the front it features a 4x zoom. Also at the front is the micro USB port, which can be used to charge the light if you're using the included rechargeable battery. To access the micro USB port, follow the instructions on the back here. Keep in mind, it is reverse threaded, so twist the cover clockwise to unscrew it and lower it. Once you see the red watertight seals, simply push the cover down to reveal the micro USB port. Plug the included micro USB cable into your USB charging block and then into the micro USB port on the Inspector RC. The light next to the micro USB port will shine red while charging and will turn blue when fully charged. Charging may take up to 3 hours. To reseal the micro USB port, simply push the cover up until it won't move anymore and then turn the cover counterclockwise to screw it in until you can no longer see any part of the red bands underneath. And remember, it is reverse threaded, so it's righty-loosey, lefty-tighty, the opposite of what you'd normally think. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the Inspector RC's 3 light modes. To turn the light on, simply press the button on the back all the way down until you hear a click. The light will turn on first in high mode, which is up to 360 lumens, shining at a distance of up to 125 meters or 410 feet for 1 hour. And here is what it looks like when you zoom the light in. Press the button all the way down again to turn the light off, and if you press it again within 8 seconds of first turning it on, it will switch to the next mode, low, which is up to 120 lumens, shining at a distance of up to 70 meters or 230 feet for 3 hours. And the last mode is strobe, which is up to 360 lumens, shining at a distance of up to 125 meters or 410 feet for 25 minutes. Don't have time to wait on a charge? No problem. The Inspector RC is equipped with Nebo's Flex-Power technology, meaning it can operate on the included rechargeable battery or on 2 regular alkaline AAA batteries. To change the batteries, simply unscrew the button cap at the back of the light by turning it counterclockwise. Tilt the light to slide the 10850 rechargeable battery out and replace with 2 alkaline AAA batteries following the instructions on the back of the light here. Once the replacement batteries are in, screw the button cap on clockwise until tight. In this case, it is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Keep in mind that using alkaline AAA batteries instead of the included rechargeable battery will result in decreased performance. Using 2 AAA batteries in high mode, the light is up to 100 lumens, shining at a distance of up to 90 meters or 295 feet for 1 hour. In low, it's up to 30 lumens, shining at a distance of up to 50 meters or 164 feet for 4 hours. And in strobe, it's up to 100 lumens, shining at a distance of up to 90 meters or 295 feet for 25 minutes. That said, even with the decreased light output, the Flex-Power feature can be very handy in situations where you simply can't wait for the light to charge. Also included in the Inspector RC is soft touch technology. To use soft touch technology, from off, simply press the button down about halfway until you get to the mode you want. You can then lock in the mode by pressing the button in all the way. Or if you don't want to turn the light all the way on, you can simply hold the button down about halfway to keep the light on until you release it. This is useful for when you want to look at something quickly without leaving the light on. The Inspector RC is a simple yet incredibly useful inspection light that'll fit perfectly in your shirt pocket. Well, that'll do it for this episode of Nebo Unboxed. As always, it's been a pleasure. I'm Zach, and we'll see you next time.